Well, this red plane is called an MX-2. It's probably one of the top airplanes in the world. It's built in America. Seriously strong, agile, high speed, and an incredible roll rate. I've been flying for 23 years. I'm a training captain with South African Airways, and I've been flying aerobatics now for 10 years and the current South African aerobatic champion.
Hi, it's Charles Urban from Johannesburg. She's a 1983 L39C, so it's from the Eastern Bloc countries. It was one of their primary trainers, very similar to our Impala type aircraft. Maximum speed VNE is 900 kilometers an hour. It's got an automatic speed brake at Mach 0.78. Your average loops in that are flown at about 650 kilometers an hour. There are probably about 8 of them in total in South Africa, probably about 3 or 4 of them on circuit.
Hi, I'm Brian Evans. I'm the chief commentator for the KZN Winter Air Tour, and I look forward to your company as we bring aviation to the people of KZN. We'll be in Pietermaritzburg, Margate, Umkhuze and Ulundi. So don't miss out on one of the greatest air tours in South Africa.